It usually takes an amount of time to search for suitable icons to beautify the slides. Why not subscribe for WPS Template Premium membership right now to enjoy massive icon resources? How can we beautify the slides effectively? Click the Insert tab, click the Icon Library button, and we can see a lot of different categories of icons to choose from, like Recommended, Business, and so on. Click a desired icon to insert it into the current slide. We can also search for the icons relevant to the slide theme according to individual needs in the search box on the top. For example, input sport and the relevant icons are displayed quickly. We no longer have to worry about wasting time for searching icons. We can also save the desired icon series for quick use in the future. Click Save in the upper right corner, and when we need them again, we can click My Folders to view the history records and saved icons. Surely, you can also find other creative objects in this dialog, such as charts, fonts, and so on. It would be a piece of cake for you to design an exquisite slide.